Hello, everyone. Welcome to KAVU Creative. In today's tutorial, we'll create a beautiful geometric pattern using simple Illustrator tools. This pattern is called Diamond Weave. Let's begin. Open the Artboard tool settings by double-clicking under Display. Enable Show Center Mark. Press OK. For this design, we'll work with a stroke only. Turn off the fill color. Pick the rectangular grid tool. Hold the Alt key and click the center mark. Enter 300 pixels for both the width and height. Set the horizontal dividers to 5. Use the same value for the vertical dividers. Press OK. Activate the pen tool. Hold Shift to draw straight lines. Hold the Control key. Click outside the design to finish the path. Now connect the two endpoints. Select everything. Select the Shape Builder tool. Change the stroke to a fill. The plus icon shows that the shapes can be merged. Right-click, then choose Ungroup. Select the entire design. Hold the Shift key and click the section you want to keep. Press Delete to remove the remaining lines. Let's add the colors with the eyedropper tool. To select a shape, hold the Control key. It will automatically switch to the Selection tool. Release the Control key to return to the eyedropper tool. You can also use your own favorite color combination. Select all the shapes. Switch to the Rotate tool. Hold the Alt key and click the center point. Enter 90 degrees. Press Copy. Hit Ctrl D 2 more times. Select all the shapes once again. Go to the Object menu. Choose Expand. Keep both fill and stroke selected. Press OK. Now open Pathfinder. Apply Divide. Use the Magic Wand tool. Click the black border. Press Delete to remove it. Great job! Your diamond weave design is ready. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If it helped you, please leave a like. For more Adobe Illustrator tutorials, subscribe to KAVU Creative. Try different ideas. Every design builds your creativity. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Until then, keep creating.